speaker East Khasi Hills ba vivik sim ule thu ba ki pulen kilapan khlan ka jingiaid pahara hakapor mynmiet khamtam man pet bakam dei mandan ka jingiaid kali ka baklem dan ka jingket khli khamtam kya shaka nang taban khmi halor ka jingjur ka jingsha tu thuk thuk ka jingiaid kali hadien bala dikiat ka jingtam jirai penhe haki kali bat ki wei ki balakwa ya ki nong shong shnong nadu ki baret hadu ki bala temman habe dei ba ka jingjilei drugs uba CM ule tho ba katanat kalapan klan ya ka ANTF hadien ka jingyo bor shu hadien bala yo jingtep pa kidang don ki jingedi yedi yo drugs na lor ka jingjur ki kamto kam them de ki ronar ulong ba katanat kan penbon ka jingdan ki VDP ban hikai yaki bat kinyarap yaki pulen ban yakun persyai drugs bat don kamru ka jingit railang bat ki borsh nang ban rat ding kong yo drugs.
To differ with you, in fact, patrolling has been intensified at night. In fact, you, as from the press fraternity, you would concur with me that there would be more patrols, and you would be the ones who would see the patrols. I'm surprised at what you say, but yes, we intensified our patrolling, especially traffic and the SOT, the tactical teams are checking on two-wheelers every night. Number one, because of bike thefts, rampant bike thefts. Number two, because of drunken driving. We don't want to have fatalities because of rash driving. And yes, we don't want nuisance and noise to be there in localities. There are a lot of young people sometimes who use modified silencers, which can be disturbing, especially for the very young and for the very old.
Actually, I was referring to
Yeah.
the drugs.
Then regarding you're talking about the drug scenario, yes, there have been major catches before in the preceding months, and that has brought the demand for drugs even more. The cost of drugs is higher. Now that we have a specialized ANTF, which is full time into it, we are hoping to have more successes. Yes, the problem persists of small time peddlers, small time users, and the crime against property is still persisting. Uh, it is a problem which needs concerted effort from the community, from all stakeholders, because in fact, under the DREAM program, where we also are partners in it, we've had several discussions with the localities. On Saturday we will be having with the Sikh Samlas, and on Monday we will have a short training for the VDPs. We are encouraging more VDPs to be formed to help us fight this drug menace. At the same time, for the VDPs to understand, to have empathy and sensitivity towards drug users, look at them as patients. At the same time, be vigilant about drug suppliers. We also, in this program of collaboration with the community and the community, we want them to understand, because we need partners to be part of the process of the NDPS statute. Unless you are good witnesses, unless you help us in our raids and seizures, the case will fall flat. So understanding the whole process under the NDPS Act is very, very important. It will also raise the level of awareness and the knowledge, especially during the period of trial. So a good interposition during trial will help us get conviction.
So why I would still disagree with you that no actions are probably being done on the ground, because a week now has been observed from the stretch from the Sniew Polo Road. I myself have got already have seen, I've got it on video and we've uploaded it. We've seen users just meters away from the main road where users are injecting drugs.
Yes.
So from 6 to 7 also, there's nobody who's manning or there are any patrolling being carried out within the stretch, and there are many people who sit on the steps.
This is where it's not that police is not patrolling these places and all that, but it's not possible for police to be in every area. And drug users also they will look for a place where the police presence is not there. So as far as possible, as responsible citizens, you find that we please call up 112. fact, a lot of the public really call us in 112 and inform us. It is a nuisance and a headache for everybody when drug users are there, because number one is the quantity seized from them, or they may have consumed, there's no quantity at all, and they need treatment or rehabilitation, which costs money also. So there's a big problem of actually handling users, because once you bring them, then they have withdrawal syndrome, the withdrawal sickness and all that. Okay, so all that issue is there, but we uh, discourage users to be in public places. But that is just addressing the symptom. We need to have a more systematic way of handling this whole thing, of actually getting them out of the street and getting treatment.